podcast POTW podcast on Android. Okay, today we meet again with me, Nizar, and my partner,
The host,
Hari. So today we have two guests from Anwarul Quran. Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah.
please.
Okay. First me. My name is Abizal Gifari, and I'm one of the student in Anwar Primary School.
Hi, my name is Zikran Eskarul.
School.
I student in Anwar Quran boarding school.
Same boarding school.
Same boarding school.
Okay, and we will interview our guest with the topic is the important to learning English today.
Oh,
Okay,
important to English.
yes.
Important to learn English.
The first question for you are why is learning English important in today's world?
Can you,
Why is learning English is important in today's world?
me or
Depends on you.
me?
One person,
One by one.
one by one. Yes.
Okay. Because English is the global language of business, trade, and diplomacy. And English enables us to communicate and grounds, fostering global understanding and collaboration. And the majority of online exercise, books, and academic papers are in English. And that's all.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. My opinion, why we important, why the English language is important to learn? Because we know that English language is a global language in the world. So in all countries in the world, certainly learn English in their school, and because we go to another country, and we don't know they language.
The language.
The language, we can speak with English because the English language usually usually using global language. Maybe that's all.
Okay, good answer. Okay, from you are.
Any question?
Okay. Maybe if we want to learn English, I ask you,
Yeah.
both of you, what the problem if when you want to learning English?
Oh, start from me.
Yes,
Yeah.
the start from you.
The problem when we learn English, the the first example
Okay, the first.
is a lack of the self-confidence. Usually people lack of confidence because they feel shy and afraid of making mistake.
Yeah. They shy to practice
Yeah,
their.
they shy to practice because they afraid. Yeah, and two and second is lack of vocabulary. Usually because this makes use less of confidence. Because we want to talk, but we don't have a vocab to speak what we want to speak. And for solution, for
Oh, no. I just
Oh.
asked the problem, not solution.
Just
the
problem?
next, the
Ah,
next,
the
the
next,
next,
the next.
the next question. Okay.
sorry,
Okay.
I think you
turn-
asked me for solution.
No. But maybe sometime
After this,
I wanna ask.
yeah.
Okay.
We go
Yes,
to
we go to the second quiz.
Okay. I have problem learning English together with Abizar.
The same problem.
The first I difficulty understand different
understood.
can and dialect. And the second, the second, I struggling with correct
Okay.
grammar
Ah,
mistake. And the last, I choosing the right words to express this ideas. Yes.
Okay. Thank you for your
sure.
answer. Your answer. I can conclude that they have maybe same problem to learn English. The first is they shy to practice
Yeah.
the language.
I'm
of
shy.
English. And the second is second problem is minimum vocabulary. And the third was said by Zikran that they cannot use the correct grammar. Correct. They don't know using grammar correct.
So the next question for you, how can you fix the problem? Yes.
The solution.
Yes, the solution of problem.
No, this time.
This time
Yeah,
to
this time.
he
This time to-
today
To save the solution.
Maybe
Yes.
the last question.
to address or
That's the solution.
The problem.
The first is solution because if you lack of self-confidence, maybe we can study with some group,
study with something.
maybe kursus.
Yes,
Maybe
following the courses.
following
maybe
the courses maybe.
for English.
Because in that place
yes.
we can speak anytime.
Okay, okay. We every day and everywhere we
Yeah,
speak
everywhere
by
we
English.
speak with Maybe
The,
that's
the community
the
of
community, the group,
English language.
the group study.
Yes, for studying English.
Yeah, maybe that is for the because if you self confidence, lack of self confidence. The second is if you lack of vocabulary. Maybe I think we can learn from we can increase we vocabulary from listening the music,
Listening
reading a book,
Reading book.
and maybe that's it.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
for your answer.
Yeah,
Next.
for you.
The first we regular study. Yes, set a consistent study schedule, and the second
Not second.
Not second.
second utilize online researchers. We take advantage of language learning website and videos.
Video.
Yes, and the last we practice with native speakers.
With native speaker.
Practice.
Yes.
So we need
Uh,
native speaker maybe.
Yes. The big question: how we can get the native speaker in
Yeah.
this our okay.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Okay, next question maybe.
That's all.
Maybe that's all.
Then let's close
Let's
our
close.
podcast.
Okay.
Um,
No.
Oh.
I close first. Thank
no,
you.
no.
And the guest.
Yes.
Start. Done. Minutes.
Okay. You are host. I'm guest.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the first. I say thank you for
our guest.
to guest today. Thank you.
Oh, you're
Mr.
welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mr.
With
Ligan. Thank you for your participation today.
Not Mrs.
Yes.
I'm Mister.
Oh.
Not Miss.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I take miss.
Dan money.
No. Okay.
Do you
He asked
don't
the money.
have money? Because
No.
Ah.
We don't have the
Oh.
one. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.
Ah.
I hope to you all to stay with our podcast and
yeah.
don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and etc. Okay. And the last, thank you for the viewers who continues to faithfully watch our podcast. And last, see you next time.
See you next time.